If you're about to change your spark plugs, there's a silent trap waiting for you at the parts counter that could cost you thousands in repairs. You think you're just grabbing a simple upgrade, but many of these plugs hide electrodes that erode in under 25,000 miles, gaps that blow out and murder your ignition coils, or tips that snap off and grenade your engine from the inside. Today I'm exposing the 5 spark plug brands you must avoid at all costs. I'll also reveal the 11 brands that routinely go 70,000 plus miles strong, plus a 30-second visual check that instantly tells you if your current plugs are already on their way out. Let's start with the ones that will quietly destroy your engine. Number 5. Autolite. Their basic copper plugs sit on the shelf for around $2.50 each, promising reliable everyday performance. What they don't advertise is how quickly that soft copper electrode disintegrates in today's high-compression, turbocharged and direct injection engines. These motors run way hotter and harder than anything from the 90s. By 30,000 miles, that electrode is basically vaporizing. The gap stretches dramatically, forcing your ignition coils to work overtime just to jump the spark. Coils overheat, spark energy drops, misfires creep in without you even noticing at first, and all that unburned fuel eventually cooks your catalytic converter. Autolite knows this chemistry doesn't hold up in modern engines, yet they keep pushing the cheap price and familiar name because it sells. The real math is brutal. Number 4. E3 Spark Plugs. These guys bet everything on their diamond fire technology, that funky diamond-shaped ground electrode meant to channel the spark to the edges for supposedly better combustion. It looks high-tech, the marketing videos look impressive, and plenty of people swear they feel a difference. But real-world mechanic reports tell a much riskier story. There are well-documented cases where E3 plugs loosened up, created lean conditions, burned electrodes, and in one Ford Expedition, turned into metal shrapnel that scored cylinder walls and killed compression permanently. Thousands in engine damage from one set of plugs. Other owners report total incompatibility in certain GM 5.7 Vortec engines despite the cross-reference, leading to constant misfires. On Ford 5.4 V8s they often run rough and degrade fast, plus they're rarely pre. Number 3. Splitfire. The promise sounds amazing. Split the electrode and magically get more power, better mileage, and cleaner burning, all for cheap. The marketing makes you feel like you're getting a performance edge without opening your wallet wide. In reality, the split creates two paths, but the spark always takes the easiest route, so one side does all the work while the other is basically cosmetic. Those sharp split edges also erode extremely fast under combustion heat and pressure. The gap opens up quickly, leading to misfires, rough idle, and lost economy, the exact opposite of what they advertise. Supercharged owners have reported losing 3 mpg and increased detonation. Some Maeda drivers found the oversized insulator cracking their plug boots and causing arcing that damaged the ignition system. Number 2. Duralast. AutoZone's house brand sounds convenient and affordable, but it suffers from serious batch-to-batch inconsistency. Gaps can vary wildly outside acceptable tolerance, and many plugs show visible tool marks or stress fractures on the iridium tips from aggressive factory gapping. Those fractures become weak points that fail under heat cycling, sometimes sending electrode pieces into the cylinder where they hammer pistons and valves like internal shrapnel. Owners report poor fitment, persistent problems, and even complete breakdowns when paired with their coils. One Jeep owner described horrible arcing and electrical gremlins after installation. You're not saving money, you're rolling the dice on premature engine headaches. Number 1. The cheap Amazon and AliExpress generics. We're talking Auto WXJQ, Torch, ZNA, and all those mystery brands with keyboard smash names. These aren't real engineered products, they're unregulated parts from factories with zero quality oversight. Many are fake iridium with just a thin coating over cheap nickel that wears off in 10,000 miles or less. The failure mode is often sudden and catastrophic. Electrodes detach, insulators crack, and ceramic or metal debris rains into your cylinders, scoring walls and destroying pistons. Unlike reputable brands that give you warning misfires and a check engine light, these can grenade your engine with no accountability, no meaningful warranty, and no support. The same plug you buy 6 months later can be completely different. You're not buying spark plugs, you're volunteering as the quality control department for your own engine. Hard pass. Now let's flip to the good stuff. The plugs that consistently deliver 70,000 plus miles of reliable service when installed correctly. Number 11. Genuine XL. This under-the-radar aftermarket brand builds to strict OEM-level standards in modern facilities. They focus heavily on European vehicles with precise heat ranges, correct gaps and perfect fitment. Their 24-month or 24,000-mile warranty on budget-friendly parts shows real confidence. No gimmicks, just consistent firing and drama-free longevity. Excellent choice for European daily drivers who want OEM quality without the dealer price. Number 10. Helle. German engineering with serious factory credentials. They supply BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Audi. Their energy line is solid OE-equivalent replacement. Step up to Energy Pro or Iridium Pro 0.4 Meridium tip with platinum pad and you're looking at 100,000 km of service life. Copper core center electrodes, high-density insulators, nickel-plated shells, everything built to SAE and DIN specs. Clean, reliable performance that doesn't overcomplicate things. Number 9. Motorcraft. Ford's official brand, the exact plugs engineered and recommended for your specific truck or car. The Iridium fine-wire versions with platinum pads routinely hit 100,000 miles. They're calibrated perfectly for Ford's ignition timing, compression, and combustion characteristics. Mustang EcoBoost owners often notice sharper response immediately. Skip the random aftermarket stuff and go factory for Ford vehicles. Number 8. Mopar. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram's factory choice. Specific part numbers for each engine family like the Hemis and Pentastar V6 because these plugs are tuned exactly to that motor's needs. They handle extreme voltages, temperatures, and loads while resisting wear, fouling, and carbon buildup. Replace them on schedule and avoid the nightmare of a broken plug destroying a cylinder. Expect around 100,000 miles of strong performance. Number 7. Baru. A favorite among European specialists. Their Ultra X line features excellent copper core heat dissipation and insulator design that helps the plug reach operating temperature fast while resisting fouling. Step up to the platinum versions for even longer life and sharper ignition. Baru supplies Audi, BMW, Mercedes, VW, Porsche, and Toyota. That's serious credibility. Number 6. Bosch. For European cars, Bosch OE fine-wire series, especially the double iridium, is hard to beat. 0.6 mm laser-welded iridium pin, iridium ground inlay, copper core, nickel-plated shell, 4 times the life of copper with better starts, smoother power, and stronger efficiency. They also offer great double platinum and platinum options. BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Audi owners, this is factory-grade engineering. Number 5. AC Delco. GM's official brand for Chevy, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac. The professional Iridium series with fine-wire center electrode and platinum pad delivers up to 62,000 plus miles. They burn off carbon, suppress interference, and survive 4000 degrees F plus combustion temps. One 5.3L owner learned the hard way that aftermarket plugs melted at 25K, while OEM-style AC Delco went nearly 100K. Stick with what your GM engine was designed around. Number 4. Champion Double Platinum. Forget their basic copper line. The double platinum version puts platinum on both center and ground electrodes so the entire gap stays stable much longer, up to 6100K miles in real-world use. Fine wire center, V-trimmed ground, heat-active alloy for quick temperature stabilization. Owners report engines running like new again at high mileage. This is the champion you can actually trust. Number 3. Denso. Toyota's factory supplier. The Iridium Power Series features the world's smallest 0.4 center electrode for a super-concentrated spark that stresses coils less. U-groove ground electrode creates a bigger flame kernel for more complete combustion, real gains in power, torque, efficiency, and emissions. Laser-welded tips stay put under extreme heat. The TT version adds extra platinum for even longer life. Japanese vehicle owners, this is the gold standard. Number 2. OEM manufacturer plugs. Here's the master rule. Your engine was engineered around one specific spark plug after thousands of hours of testing. OEM or exact OEM spec plugs have the perfect heat range, gap, thread reach, and materials for your motor. Aftermarket options often compromise on tolerances and alloys. Open your owner's manual, match the exact part number, usually NGK or Denso, and buy that. The small upfront savings on cheap plugs will cost you at the pump and in the shop later. Number 1. NGK. The global leader for a reason. NGK supplies most European and Japanese manufacturers. Their laser Iridium series, Iridium Center plus Platinum Ground, routinely delivers 8100K miles with molecular laser-welded tips that won't detach. The Iridium iX line is a performance favorite with 0.6 fine tips, tapered grounds, and outstanding anti-fouling. Whether you're daily driving or tracking the car, NGK gives you reliable, powerful spark you can truly set and forget. The 30-second trick to check if your current plugs are failing. Pull one plug and compare it side by side with a brand new identical one. If the center electrode is noticeably rounded and the gap exceeds about 0.051 inches, 1.3 mm, it's worn out and stressing your coils. But don't stop there, hold the plug by the threads and shake it near your ear. Any rattling means the internal insulator is cracked or the electrode is loose. Replace it immediately before it fails from the inside. The plugs themselves are only half the battle. Even the best iridium set will underperform if you skip one critical installation step that most DIYers miss. I break it down step by step in the next video. Click the link below so you don't waste your new plugs. Drop a comment with your car model and current plug brand. I read every single one and love helping you pick the right ones. If this saved you from an expensive mistake, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.